guys there now? Why nobody come training? Which kind of unserious boys be this? I be them cancel training.
Hello? Almighty good, how far now? You dey enjoy yourself, Abi?
Where you there? Why only me the pitch?
I no tell you the other time. Say training no dey today. Make we rest small.
You say wetin?
I say...
Shut up! How you go talk say training no dey today? We get PSG to play for Champions League. And Atletico Madrid dey dust us for La Liga. Na him you dey give us time make we rest? Which kind coach you be, sef?
Mercy, calm down now. Haba.
Calm down wetin? We suppose dey train from morning till night daily. Dey sleep for gym every day. Until we digest winning mentality inside our DNA. Which kind mentality you get, sef? When Guardiola been the coach us that year, I been not even know say footballers they sleep safe. That's also train we they train every day for gym. We don't even get recovery session.
Jesus! You mean
I go lie for you.
Me, I no dey for that one, no. I no wan keep person picking.
You dey fear?
Why I no go fear? You wan die?
It better make I die than to dey lose.
Go die now, no be me go kill you.
I swear if PSG win us, I go ever let them hunt you for your dreams.
God forbid.
Which kind ambitionless coach be this self? Tomorrow now, PSG go carry us play samba. We go start to dey cry go house. Ronaldo fans go start to dey yab me. Media go start to dey talk their own rubbish. Which kind life be this self? Chai! Now well.
Names of players. Ronaldo.
Messi.
Pele.
Maradona.
Maradona don't die now. Leave the guy. Why they try resurrect him?
Oga, come on for ya, Joe. Legends know they die.
Okay now. Okocha.
Kanu.
Corona.
Which one can be Corona?
You know sabi the guy?
His full name na COVID Corona. Because as I be in brothers and sisters self. Some people they even call them variants.
You be fool. You know sabi Jesus Corona for Porto?
Oh, now that guy. If I just talk in full name, I been think say they try whine me. Okay now, make we continue. Nama.
Na me they call that thing. No problem. Ninja Toto Mbapele.
Your father. Shebi I don't tell you say me no they call me that name.
No be Mr. Tam na.
No problem. Pepper.
Rice.
Fish.
Oh boy. Which one come be fish?
I swear you no sabi footballer so. So you mean to tell me say you no sabi fish? That South African baller we play defense that year.
Which kind fish him be? Na tilapia be na Titus.
You be Momo. Your full name na Mark Anthony Fish.
Your papa. I'm waiting for talk since now. How you go talk fish? Can't expect say I go just believe you. You don't see fish they play ball.
Come out for here. You no sabi anything. Continue game, Joe.
Fernandez.
You know say the guy no they like make them they call him that name.
Play game, Joe. Waiting consign me.
I go tell him.
Say the small boy yo. Tell him now. He go beat me.
Okay now. Song.
Waiting be song.
Who no sabi song? That Cameroon guy wey elbow Perisic that year for World Cup. He almost crippled the guy safe.
Oh, now that song. I remember when I been dey play against them. Na kid they want kill me for pitch. They quack me like say I be their junior for school. Kai.
Ta!
Who be Ta?
Trent Alexander-Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Oh, now that guy. Pogba.
Obi-Wan Bissaka.
Van Damme.
Van Damme na actor na.
No be that one, Joe. Jay Van Damme. The Belgian footballer na.
Okay. I know himself. Na my guy. Small bone.
Now who get small bone?
That midfielder for Southampton na.
Now wow. How person go dey answer these kind names?
Play game, Joe. No they use tag they think.
Mosquito.
Rat.
Whitehead.
Drink water.
Shitu.
David Seaman.
Bender.
Which of the benders? Na water been a firebender.
Idiot. Now Lars Bender. The German footballer.
Fuchs.
Assman.
Zlatan.
Which one be Zlatan?
Oh boy, if you know sabi Zlatan, I'm not sure say he be footballer.
Zlatan and Zlatan are two different people. Zlatan na one Nigerian singer like that. I too like the guy Jams. But Zlatan na the real footballer. Na him born in papa and mama.
Oh boy, your wahala too much, Jara. I know they play again.
You don't lose be that now.
Now you lose, idiot.
Now people like you go they call Messi Messi. I don't even sabi whether una ear they walk well safe. You don't ever hear commentator they call him Messi. I been as Zlatan.
What you know they do?
Kochi, na game we been they play oh. But this guy not sabi anything.
Game? Una they mad? We get back to play for Champions League knockout. Una they here they play game. Kochi, you go calm down now. Nothing there to fear. You say waiting.
Kochi, your blood too dey hot. Nothing there to fear for Baka.
Messi don't come out for Baka.
He still there, but he no dey play for them again.
Waiting they talk.
How I go take explain this thing give you now? You see ba, the real Messi dey Dubai dey flex, but he drop in clone for Baka. So the Messi way they see for Baka, no be the real Messi.
How you take now?
He na my guy now. He dey tell me things. Baka matter don't too frustrate him.
This one na good news oh.
na, and the good thing be say, Baka people no even know say na Messi clone dey there because the clone still play ball pass all of them. But we no need to fear. Everything dey alright. We go demolish them. Even if I no play the match, my boy here go make sure say them collect.
Idiot! Now who be your boy?
Calm down, Joe. Let me teach you everything wey you know now.
Your father! Make una calm down, Joe. Which game una been dey play safe? Make I join una.
If this video make you laugh,
And you know say your mama born you well.
and you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley. I been a woman bless you one place.
See, sorry, it don't do you. Oh. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am ba? Because me, I no get time for this guy now.